Exploring amazing sea animals from A to Z. A is for African catfish. It has long whiskers to feel around in the water. B is for blue whale, the biggest animal on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. C is for crab. It walks sideways and uses its claws to grab food. D is for dugong, a gentle sea cow that munches on seagrass. E is for eagle ray. It has wide fins like wings to glide through the sea. F is for flying fish. It can leap from the water and glide in the air. G is for giant spider crab. It has super long legs and can grow very big. H is for harlequin tuskfish. A reef fish with bright rainbow stripes. I is for Indian mackerel, shiny fish that swim together in big groups. J is for jellyfish. It floats like an umbrella and drifts with the waves. K is for koi fish, colorful fish that shine like swimming jewels. L is for lionfish. It has long spiky fins that spread like a lion's mane. M is for manta ray, a giant ray that flaps fins like wings in the sea. N is for neon tetra, tiny, glowing fish that sparkle in the water. O is for octopus. It can change colors to hide in the ocean. P is for pufferfish. It puffs up into a round ball when it feels scared. Q is for queen parrotfish, a bright fish with a beak like a parrot. R is for reef shark, a small shark that swims around coral reefs. S is for seahorse. It looks like a tiny horse and swims upright. T is for tiger shark, a striped shark that's strong and curious. U is for unicorn fish. It has a special horn that makes it unique. V is for velvet sea star, a soft sea star that lives on the ocean floor. W is for wrasse. It swims in warm seas and shines with colors. X is for X-ray fish. You can see through its body like glass. Y is for yellow tang, a bright yellow fish that shines in coral reefs. Z is for zebra shark, a gentle shark with spots all over its body. Thanks for watching Eaglets Club. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more.